Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Disney Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs Limited Edition Premiere Series Doll. This year, the Disney designer dolls have a new theme, which is all about red carpet glam. Each doll is walking the red carpet at their own premiere, and their gowns are designed to fit the times. Snow White premiered in 1937, so if she was at the premiere walking the red carpet, she could have worn something like this. On the back of the box, you can see a drawing of Snow White with a sketch of the back of the dress. At the bottom, it says, Disney Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. The Disney Designer Collection is proud to introduce the Premiere Series. Inspired by runways and red carpets, during each theatrical debut, the dolls' garments and accessories were carefully designed to combine a movement in fashion history with the unmistakable signature icons of beloved Disney heroines. There are only 4,100 of these dolls, priced at $109.95. Let's open it up for a closer look. Wow, this is a very nice display. The doll is in the center, framed like in a shadow box. There is a Snow White movie poster on the side. It is taped to the box. The mini poster is sealed inside of the plastic and is not meant to come out unless you decide to cut it with scissors. There is a premiere invitation and 2 tickets on the other side. Not valid, so they're just for show. There is a picture window on the top of the box. So if you want to display your doll in the box, you can have a light shining down to showcase the doll. We can remove the doll from the outer display box, and we still have another display box. It opens to give you access to the doll. And I found our certificate of authenticity underneath. It is sealed in plastic, but I can read the number at the bottom, and this doll is 2041 out of 4,100. So our doll is right in the middle. Pretty cool. Even though we can get really close to her, you know I gotta take her out of the box. I carefully untwist the wires in the back, remove the rubber bands from her hands, cut the plastic stays to free her from the box. I know that many collectors do not take their dolls out of the box, like, ever. But I just had to see the back of this dress. She wears a satin dress with a sequins bodice, and now she can walk the My Froggy Stuff red carpet. Wait a minute, we weren't supposed to come in our costumes? How come I didn't get the memo? Ruffled sleeves with red details, rhinestones at the waist and under the bodice. The rhinestone belt hangs down and has a chain tassel. There are crystals at the bottom of the dress. In the back, she has a red train with a red bow. It is satin with crystals. She has a faux fur cream stow with sequins on the back, gold dangly earrings with a rhinestone on the end, and neutral open-toed shoes with a red bow. The wires that held her into the box left small indentions in her legs, but that can be expected from packaging. There is a large Disney Store tattoo on her back, which is a shame because the back of this dress is quite beautiful. Her hair is styled in tight curls. She has gold eyeshadow and long eyelashes, with a touch of apple red lipstick. This doll has the same articulation as a Disney classic Snow White, with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and she has a bend and snap knee. I think this is an absolutely stunning look for Snow White. I love all of the details on the dress, the rhinestones, sequins, crystals, fur. I mean, this girl has it all. She comes with a small gold purse. It has an S on one side and a W on the other for Snow White. There is a chain at the top and a small clasp. When you open it, It looks like a makeup compact and a mirror. This bag is pretty heavy, so I would be careful if you're trying to make it look like the doll is holding it. Inside the box, there is a doll stand and a little red carpet. This is my first Disney designer, Snow White, and I think she is absolutely gorgeous. I love seeing them out of their character costumes and in something a little more modern. Even though this is 1937, it's still more modern than that. And with the movie Wreck-It Ralph 2 coming out, I would love to see the Disney princesses in something a little more casual, but in the classic doll price range rather than the designer, because they are pretty much the same doll. This one just has fancier clothes and eyelashes. I am very happy to add her to our collection. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at the Disney Designer Premiere Series, Snow White. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily.